What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? Hey, you guys. SkinnyBoyRandy. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. How you doing today? Hey, you guys. Yes. Your SkinnyBoyRandy here. How you doing? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. If nobody told you today that they love you, I love you. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Today, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? We ain't got time for that. Also, click like and subscribe, you guys. If you're new, you see that red button down there? Click like and subscribe. Yeah. Head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, beginners and experts are welcome over there as well. Yes, you guys, how you doing today? Hey, you guys, what's up? You guys, you can see we're in fall. Today I got a special video prepared for you. I have family and friends here, you guys. Yes, family and friends there, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Here we go. You guys, today we're gonna pick some mustard greens. We're gonna pick some turnip greens. We're gonna pick all kinds of greens. Green greens. And today I'm gonna show you my mom today. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, welcome. Here you go, you guys. Hi. This is my uncle over there, you guys. The one that was online last night? Yeah. There you go.
What's happening?
There he is in the flesh. And then the most beautiful queen in the world, my mom, and her beautiful sister-in-law.
Hello. What's up?
Mary and Mary's, Mary and Mary's. Hey, you guys. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to pick your turnip and collard greens and mustard greens, however you want to do it. Okay, you guys. My mom is very well versed in making a garden. She's the one who started me, you guys. That's my mom. Hi. That's SkinnyBoyRandy's mom, you guys. Yeah. So come on over, follow us. We're gonna go over there and pick up some collard greens, okay? Not collard greens. We're gonna do some mustards today. Yes, you guys. Okay. Yes, you guys. We're out here in the SkinnyBoy Farms, and God is good. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. So we're gonna come on over here, and Mom is gonna pick some greens out of the garden. Yes, you know our puppies over there. Yes, you guys. So today she's gonna pick some mustard greens. We have mustards. We have giant red mustards. We have turnip greens. We have Georgia collards over here. And look at Mom. Mom's already going to work, y'all.
Mama
going to work. Mama don't play that. She ain't got no money. Mama ain't got no money to be wasting. Anybody got no money? Okay. I love you guys. Yes, you guys. And that's my Aunt May over there. She's out there picking too. Oh, she's collecting, you guys.
Oh, your uncle, he eats.
And my uncle, he said he's eating. Yeah. That's what fresh vegetables do for you. You can eat them just like that, you guys.
Yes, the best.
Yes. Hey, you guys, you're getting a special treat, you guys. All you members, you're getting a special treat. I want to show my mom bok choy. I don't know if she's ever seen this type of plant.
If you don't have to cut, you can always pick potato.
See, our bok choy. This is like a cabbage.
Wow.
This is called bok choy, and it's a cabbage that you can eat like your turnip and your mustard greens. Because they're baby bok choy. No, they're ready. They grow small. See? There you go.
Let me see how they taste.
They grow small like this. Yeah.
They don't come back.
Let's see how
Uncle
they
Ike
taste.
said he wants to try them.
Grow these. They're good.
Bok choy is very good, you guys. I'm gonna eat one too. Wonderful.
Now you gonna have to pick with your hand, Nate.
See my mom? She's up there. They're getting it, y'all. This is how you harvest your mustard greens, your turnip greens. You can use scissors or you can use your hand. Okay, you guys? This is a very special day today.
This is a city girl. This is a city girl, and this is a country girl. You can see the difference.
Yes.
You can see the difference.
Pick it with
The country girl picking with her hands, the city girl using the scissors. Okay. Y'all know how I do. I do both. I use my hands and the scissors. Because I ain't got no money to be going to the doctor because I done cut my hand now. I ain't got no money.
Okay.
Yes, you guys. Harvest your food. Harvest. Grow what you're going to eat. Eat what you're going to grow.
Yes.
And live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. So you guys go ahead and I'm going to let you guys finish. Wave to everybody, you guys. We're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I just wanted to share you guys the SkinnyBoy Farms.
Don't forget, eat green, good for you.
Here's
Healthy.
SkinnyBoyRandy and Mother. Yes, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Fresh greens. And look, mom getting them greens.
Isn't they beautiful?
Yes, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Cool stuff. I need it.